In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off a payment term in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're an accountant or a small business owner, being able to manage and customize your financial settings is crucial to keeping things in order. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to sign in to QuickBooks Online. Open up your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. If you're not on that page yet, you can find a link easily through search engines. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that to move forward. Once you've clicked sign in, your next step is to select QuickBooks Online from any options that might appear. This will guide you to the appropriate login screen. Now it's time to enter your account credentials, which typically include your email and password. Carefully type in your login information, then click continue to access your QuickBooks Online account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll spot a gear icon which represents settings. Click on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu that gives you a variety of configurations and settings options to choose from. The next step is to click on All Lists. You'll find this option in the drop-down menu after clicking on the settings icon. The All Lists feature is designed to help you manage different elements of your financial system from one consolidated place, which includes payment terms, products, services, and more. Scrolling down the All Lists options, look for and click on Terms. This takes you to a section where you can view and manage all the terms that have been set up within your QuickBooks account. Here, you'll see a listing of all the payment terms that are currently active. Find the payment term you wish to deactivate and locate the small drop-down menu on the right side of the screen next to the term. Click on this drop-down to reveal more options. Once you've clicked the drop-down, you're given the choice to make inactive. This option is your key to turning off or deactivating a term that you no longer need. Selecting this will hide the term from your active list without permanently deleting it, giving you the flexibility to reactivate it later if needed. Finally, QuickBooks will ask for your confirmation. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to make this term inactive. Simply click yes, and with that your payment term is now successfully turned off. That wraps up our tutorial on how to manage payment terms in your QuickBooks Online account. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day managing your finances.